In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message not sending problem in 2024. So here's actually a few things you can do. The first one being, the most common, is by going to Play Store over here, go into the bottom right where there's the search box, and looking for WhatsApp. Once you find it, simply click on WhatsApp Messenger app, and if there's an option to update, update it and then see if it works. If that didn't work, what you can then do is close it down and then find your WhatsApp app on your phone. So for me, it's over here on my home screen. Hold it down and click this I button, which is kind of the info button, and it will take you inside the settings to this app info screen. If you can't find that button, you can also find the app info by simply locating settings on your device, and then inside settings you want to look for apps. So as you can see, for me, the apps are over here. I'm gonna click on this, and then in here you want to find your app list. For me it says manage apps, for you it may say app list, installed apps, or something like this. In here you then want to look for WhatsApp. Okay, you can either scroll through or you can just simply go up top and look for WhatsApp. As you can see, it's over here. Click on it and that's the exact same screen. Then there's a few things we can do in here. First, you must go to app permissions, which is down here. It says app permissions or something along those lines. Click over here, and then what you want to do is basically make everything allowed. As you can see, everything is under not allowed right now. Simply press on each and every single thing, press allow, and it will become allowed. So that's the first thing you can do. And then the next thing, go under storage, and inside here press clear data. Press clear cache and then OK. This will clear all the cache on your WhatsApp app. If that didn't work, what you can do is do manage space yet again, and as you can see, it's going to take you in there. Just go back out and click clear data, and then click manage space yet again, and it will take you to your account. And if it does take you to your account, and if it doesn't let you clear the space inside the settings, you will be then able to clear the space inside WhatsApp itself. So once you do this, you just restart your device so everything loads up perfectly, and then once you've done that, open up WhatsApp again and try sending the voice message yet again and see if that works and if it should. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.